Welcome to our video on the fascinating world of digital marketing. Today, we're diving into the various types of digital marketing strategies available and helping you figure out which one is the best fit for your needs. With so many options out there, from social media marketing and email campaigns to search engine optimization and content marketing, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But don't worry, we'll break down each type, highlighting its unique benefits and potential drawbacks. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how each strategy works and which one aligns with your goals. Whether you're a small business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or just curious about digital marketing, this video is designed to engage and inform you. So stick around as we explore the exciting possibilities of digital marketing and help you take that first step towards success. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is a crucial component of digital marketing that focuses on enhancing a website's visibility in search engine results. By optimizing your site, you can attract more organic traffic, which is essential for growing your online presence. The role of SEO is to ensure that your website ranks higher for relevant keywords, making it easier for potential customers to find you. There are two main types of SEO techniques: on-page and off-page. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements within your website, such as content, meta tags, and images, to improve relevance and user experience. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, focuses on building authority through backlinks and social media engagement. Investing in SEO strategies offers long-term benefits, as it not only drives consistent traffic, but also builds credibility and trust with your audience. By prioritizing SEO, businesses can create a sustainable online presence that continues to yield results over time. Content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful strategy that focuses on creating and distributing valuable content to engage and inform your audience. The significance of content marketing lies in its ability to build relationships with potential customers by providing them with information they find useful. Different types of content, such as blogs, videos, and infographics, cater to various preferences and learning styles, making it easier to reach a broader audience. Storytelling plays a crucial role in content marketing, as it helps to create an emotional connection with your audience, making your message more relatable and memorable. When you craft compelling narratives around your brand, you not only capture attention, but also foster loyalty. Quality content can drive traffic to your website and significantly boost conversions, as it positions your brand as an authority in your industry. By consistently delivering valuable content, you can nurture leads and ultimately guide them through the buyer's journey, leading to increased sales and customer retention. Social media marketing. Social media marketing plays a vital role in promoting brands and engaging with customers in today's digital landscape. Popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn each offer unique features that cater to different audiences and marketing goals. For instance, Instagram is ideal for visually driven content, while LinkedIn is perfect for B2B networking and professional engagement. To effectively engage with your audience, it's essential to develop strategies that encourage interaction, such as posting regularly, responding to comments, and utilizing user-generated content. Creating polls, contests, and live videos can also foster a sense of community and keep your audience invested in your brand. Additionally, analytics are crucial for measuring social media success. By tracking metrics like engagement rates, reach, and conversions, you can gain valuable insights into what resonates with your audience. This data allows you to refine your strategies, ensuring that your social media efforts are not only engaging, but also effective in driving brand awareness and customer loyalty. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads and maintaining strong customer relationships. A successful email marketing campaign typically includes several key components: a compelling subject line, engaging content, a clear call to action, and a well-designed layout. To enhance engagement, segmentation, and personalization are essential. By dividing your email list into specific groups based on demographics, interests, or behaviors, you can tailor your messages to resonate with each audience segment. Personalizing emails with the recipient's name or relevant product recommendations can significantly increase open and click-through rates. Additionally, A/B testing is crucial for optimizing email performance. By experimenting with different subject lines, content formats, or sending times, you can identify what works best for your audience. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your strategy continually, ensuring that your emails not only capture attention, but also drive conversions. Ultimately, effective email marketing fosters trust and loyalty, keeping your brand top of mind for customers throughout their journey. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. Pay-per-click, PPC advertising is a digital marketing model that allows businesses to drive immediate traffic to their websites by paying for clicks on their ads. This approach is commonly used on platforms like Google Ads, where advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their products or services. When users search for those keywords, the ads appear at the top of the search results, providing high visibility. One of the critical components of a successful PPC campaign is keyword research. Identifying the right keywords ensures that your ads reach the most relevant audience, maximizing the chances of conversion. Additionally, PPC allows for precise audience targeting, enabling businesses to tailor their ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This targeted approach not only increases the likelihood of attracting potential customers, but also optimizes ad spend by focusing on users who are more likely to engage. Overall, PPC advertising is an effective strategy for generating quick traffic and achieving measurable results in a competitive online landscape. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows businesses to leverage partnerships for growth. In this model, 3 key players are involved: merchants, affiliates, and consumers. Merchants are the businesses that sell products or services. Affiliates are individuals or companies that promote these offerings, and consumers are the end users who make purchases. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its performance-based nature. Affiliates earn commissions only when their promotional efforts lead to sales, making it a cost-effective strategy for merchants. This approach not only reduces marketing risks, but also incentivizes affiliates to drive high-quality traffic. Successful examples of affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, where affiliates earn commissions by promoting Amazon products, and Shopify, which offers a robust affiliate program for promoting its e-commerce platform. Effective strategies often involve creating valuable content, utilizing social media, and leveraging email marketing to reach target audiences. By fostering these partnerships, businesses can expand their reach and drive significant growth without upfront advertising costs. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a strategy that leverages the reach and credibility of individuals with a significant following on social media or other platforms to promote products or services. In today's digital landscape, this approach is increasingly relevant as consumers often trust recommendations from influencers more than traditional advertising. To effectively reach niche audiences, it's crucial to choose the right influencers who align with your brand values and target demographic. Look for influencers whose content resonates with your audience and who have a genuine connection with their followers. Authenticity is key in influencer partnerships. Audiences can quickly detect insincerity, which can damage both the influencers and the brand's reputation. Collaborating with influencers who genuinely believe in your product can lead to more impactful campaigns and foster trust among potential customers. By focusing on authenticity and strategic partnerships, brands can effectively engage niche audiences, driving both awareness and conversions in a crowded marketplace. Which one should you start with? Choosing the right digital marketing strategy can significantly impact your business's success, so it's essential to start by assessing your target audience and business objectives. Consider who your ideal customers are, what platforms they use, and what problems your products or services solve for them. This understanding will guide you in selecting a strategy that resonates with your audience. It's also important to start with one strategy before expanding into others. Focusing your efforts allows you to allocate resources effectively and gain a deeper understanding of what works for your brand. Once you've implemented your chosen strategy, measure its success through key performance indicators such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and return on investment. Regularly review these metrics to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly. By taking a thoughtful and measured approach, you can build a solid foundation for your digital marketing efforts and set the stage for future growth. In this video, we explored various types of digital marketing, including SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, PPC, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing. Each of these strategies plays a significant role in helping businesses reach their target audiences and achieve their goals. Key takeaways include the importance of understanding your audience, choosing the right strategy based on your objectives, and measuring success to refine your approach. Remember, starting with one strategy allows you to focus your efforts and build a solid foundation for growth. We hope you found this information information valuable and that it inspires you to take action in your digital marketing journey. And hey, if you're someone who's tired of working long hours, dreading Mondays, or just feeling stuck, let me tell you something that completely changed the game for me. I found a digital marketing program called Legacy Builders that showed me how to create a 2-hour workday and earn up to $900 a day using simple, beginner-friendly strategies. This isn't hype. It's a proven system that uses content creation, affiliate marketing, and social media to build a real online business. No fancy degree or tech background needed. If you're curious and want to learn more, check out the link in the description below. It has everything you need to get started. This could be your first step toward more time, more freedom, and more income. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore our related content for more insights and tips on mastering digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.